If you want to cherish your workshop space or gonna optimal the space, try this CNC lathe parts feeder. Suitable for continuous feeding of short, small workpieces or feeding a semi-finished product. Steady and smooth run pace ensure stable production pace. Look, it doesn't take up a lot of space, but you don't have to arrange workers for it anymore. The significance of automation is to bring benefits and ease human beings. Let's see the parameters. It's visible in every movement. You deserve more advanced means of production.